the 2008 Ford F-150. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.